This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kevin Bernhardt. Come see this gem in Richmond Heights. After having coffee on your screened-in porch, enter the front door to a very open floor plan. These beautiful wood floors will never go out of style. Continue through the open-air kitchen, which is ready for a large island with storage. Great-sized bedrooms and huge master bedroom, all of which can fit large beds plus additional furniture. The lot is completely fenced in, perfect for safe playtime. There is also plenty of space for RV or boat parking. In the back, you can keep your outdoor tools and toys in the detached shed. Sit back and relax in your screened-in patio, with a mango from your very own tree. Freshly painted both inside and out. Brand new washer/dryer, along with the roof and AC which were replaced just a few years ago. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin Bernhardt at 786-581-1400.